Hey guys, welcome back from my channel. Today I am gonna show you about the subtract command in AutoCAD 3D modeling. Subtract meaning that creates as a new object by subtracting one overlapping region or 3D solid from another. With subtract, you can create a 3D solid by subtracting one set of existing 3D solids from another overlapping set. But using subtract with 3D surfaces is not recommended. Use the surftrim command instead. Draw a circle or rectangle, whatever shapes that you want to subtract on the main object. Use subtract command in AutoCAD 3D modeling. Please like the video and subscribe my channel for more practical video to help on your practice. Practice makes perfect. Cheers. Thanks.